Imagine never missing a customer message again, even while you are sleeping. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step WhatsApp business auto reply in less than 5 minutes so that you don't miss your customers and also let them not feel unattended to and you end up not losing sales. So my name is Rita Onoha. On this channel, I talk about how to make money online using your phone and how you can use your phone to increase your sales in your business. So make sure you watch this video to the end because I'll also show you pro tips that most people don't know about WhatsApp auto reply. And if you are serious about growing your business with your phone, hit the subscription button so that you don't miss out on my weekly tutorials or videos. All right, so let's go to the business of today. So the first thing you need to do is to go to Play Store or Apple Store to download WhatsApp Business. You know there is WhatsApp, you know there is also WhatsApp Business. So what you need for this video or what you need for this is your WhatsApp Business. So go to Play Store, download WhatsApp Business, and let's go on to set up auto replies for our business. So the first thing you need to do is to set up your profile and everything. Then you come to tools. Let me show you. You come to tools. This is tools. You click on it to see those to see how to set it up. So once you click on tools, it opens. So we have a lot of things here. Maybe if time permits, I'm going to touch all of them, but let's just go straight to the business of the day, which is how to set up auto replies on your phone, on your WhatsApp. Now we are going to do three things. We are setting up three auto replies on our WhatsApp. The first one is the first one is we are going to set up greeting message. We're going to set up away message and also quick replies. If time permits us, we're going to talk about the labels, and the categories. Okay, so let's go. Let's start with greeting message. So for you to set up greeting message, the greeting message is the first message that if you set it up, when someone message you for the first time, is going to reply even without you lifting your phone. So how is it done? You just to click on this greet message, you turn this on. Mine is already on. So you turn it on, then you go to this place and edit. You click on this icon to edit your message. So I already have my setup. All you need to do is to put whatever you like. Thanks for contacting me. Please, how may I help you? What do you want to buy from us today? Especially this message is very good if you are running an ad, maybe your Facebook ad, TikTok ad, that people will always click on your link to come to your WhatsApp. This greeting message makes them welcoming and they know that yes, you are truly in for a business. So this is what you do to edit your message. Then on this place, you're going to click on recipient to edit how you want and who do you want to get this message. Now let's see how it looks like. We have three options here. We have everyone not in the address book. That is those strange numbers that are coming from you for the first time. Then you also have where you can exempt some people from receiving this message. Maybe your family member or those that you know that are not in your DM for business. Then, but by default, and the one that is best option is for everyone because anyone that comes to you know that you are in for a business. That is why it's WhatsApp business. So that is that you first of all I said you turn on this send greeting message on, and by default, for the first person that is sending message in the last 14 days will get this message. If somebody sent you a message yesterday and is sending you a message today again, he's not going to get it until the next 14 days. That's when your WhatsApp will also greet that person. So that is that for greeting message. So let's go back to the remaining one. So the next one I'm going to talk about now is the away message. This away message here is used when you are not with your phone. Let's assume outside business hours or when you are busy. So away message is you turn it on here from this button. My own is already on. You turn it on and here you edit the message you want. maybe, oh, thanks for contacting us. I'll be back in next, I will reply you in next 1 hour, or just drop your message, drop your order. So it will show the person that yes, this guy or this woman is a serious business person. Even when they are sleeping, your WhatsApp will reply them. It will make them not to feel less welcoming. So that is that for that. You can also schedule. You can always schedule yours. You can always send it or custom. You can use custom to use it maybe when you are away from your business in the evening, at night. That's when the customer will get this message. You can use schedule or other business hours, outside business hours. You can use it, but mine is always on, always send, because most times your hand, you might be busy with other activities that you don't have to do the reply instantly. And for the recipient, you can also select who you want to see this message. So let's go to the next one, which is a quick reply. Quick reply is, let's assume that somebody is always asking you, send me account number. Like mine is an account number. You can always send, once person asks for account, it will by default send to them. All right. So that is your quick reply. You just type the shortcut and what they want it to reply. So if you want to set up your quick reply, you're going to click on this button here, this plus sign, to set it up. So let's assume that I want to set mine up. What I'm going to do is to click on this plus. It will ask you to ask what do you want to, maybe somebody asks you how much, if you're a business person. The next reply might be, okay, what exactly do you want to buy? Let's just do it like this. Let's assume you say a lot of things, and somebody is coming to ask you how much. By default, if it doesn't ask you how much, you're going to see that your message, your WhatsApp will automatically ask the person, what exactly do you want to buy? What exactly do you want to buy? No, no need. All right. So that is it. You save it. So this is how you save auto reply on your messages. All right. So you have learned how to do that. So the pro tip I want to add here, after you are done with setting up your greeting messages, way message, and also quick reply, let's look at labels. Labels is where you can categorize your customers, new orders, and all of that, so that if you are looking for any of these customers, you know where to get them. So you add it. You can also rename all these ones. You can add new one by clicking on the plus sign, like clicking giving it a new name. All right, so it's as simple as that. So the next one is the catalog. Catalog is just like a display page where you highlight what you are selling, your products and your services. That if someone comes to your DM, they can easily buy from you without you sending your pictures and videos to them. They can go through your catalog, see what you're selling, and pay for you. I say, and ask if those things are available. All right. So that is that for that. You can add, and you can also set up your catalog. It's on. You can turn it off. You can also turn it on. So that is that. So if you have gotten value in this video, I'll be making more videos on how you can monetize your phones and also do a lot of things within your phone. So if you find this video helpful, kindly give me a subscribe, and give me a follow, and like this video so that it will get to more persons. Thank you.